Hello and welcome to Kachu Travels. In this edition, I'm going to take you to the Lal Bagh Flower Show. It started on Jan 20th and is going to be there for the next 10 days. It's an annual occurrence at the Lal Bagh, and if you haven't been to Lal Bagh, it is in the southwestern part of Bangalore. The best way to travel there is of course to use Namma Metro. The metro also helps you cover these distances in a very short time, and if you have your own vehicle, you're going to have a very tough time trying to park your vehicle. As soon as you get down the metro, you need to go and have a piping hot cup of coffee served fresh from one of the shops that are just outside the metro. If that's not enough, you should also fancy some nice hot tatte idlis before you get inside Lal Bagh. You could either have it on the streets or go to more famous places like Kamath before entering the Lalbagh Botanical Gardens. As soon as you enter Lal Bagh, you will see a huge sea of people around you. Of course, this is where Bangalore goes to walk. But for the flower show, there is an entry fee of 35 rupees for children and 70 rupees for adults. Otherwise, if you enter after 9 am, the usual entry fee is about 10 rupees. But if you enter at 6 am, there is no entry fee, as this is where Bangalore comes to get its quota of morning walks. Also, this time at the Lal Bagh float, you're seeing a lot of historical characters like Kempegowda, who was the ruler of Karnataka, and this float similar to the Bhutakala shown in the Kantara movie. As you keep walking down Lal Bagh, it's a beautiful walk because that is when the morning sun is hitting you, and that feels very, very different. To add color to your morning walk are the numerous flowers that are on display in different parts of Lal Bagh. And this is not even the main flower show area. If you're somebody who's interested in botanical items, there are also some nurseries on the northern end of the Lal Bagh Botanical Forest. You need to find your way to the tree fossil and the glass house. The glass house is exactly where you have the flower festival, and as you just keep walking past all these greens and yellows, you will realize there are a lot of trees that are actually planted and bought from different countries. This is bought from Madagascar. These trees are not native to Bangalore. I learnt that on a visit here. I also saw that there was a tree fossil which was apparently collected from Chennai, which was then called Madras, and this tree fossil has become a stone. Hope you enjoyed this, and if you want to watch more and know about the Lal Bagh Flower Festival, expect a more detailed video this week. But for now, stay subscribed to Kachu Travels, and thanks for watching.